In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Zoho people with Zoho projects. To begin, open Zoho projects in your web browser and make sure you are on the main home or dashboard area for your portal. This is the central place where you can access your projects, reports, and settings. If you are not already signed in, sign in with your Zoho account first, then return to the Zoho projects dashboard. Once you are on the dashboard, look toward the top area of the screen for the main navigation options. You are going to click the highlighted area that opens access to the setup and configuration options. This is typically where Zoho Projects keeps integrations and app connections, so it is the right place to start when you want to link Zoho people. Next, find and click on Marketplace. The Marketplace is where Zoho Projects lists available integrations, including other Zoho products. Give the page a moment to load fully, especially if you have many apps available. Inside the Marketplace, click on Zoho Apps. This section groups the official Zoho integrations together, making it easier to find what you need without sorting through third-party tools. You should now see a list of Zoho applications that can connect with Zoho projects. From that list, locate and click on Zoho People. Selecting Zoho People opens the integration page where you can manage how the two services work together. This connection is commonly used to align employee information and related settings between your HR system and your project workspace, which helps keep everything consistent. Finally, click on Configure. This is the action that takes you into the setup screen for the Zoho People integration. From here, you can proceed with the configuration options provided on your screen based on your organization's needs. Take your time and read each option carefully so you understand what is being enabled. And that is all there is to it.